Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as you know, that we have already started with chapter number 3, that is addition. Okay, and we have already completed exercise 3.1. Okay, so in exercise 3.1 we have done the sums of addition. Okay, all the sums are related to the addition. Simple addition was there, addition of 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. Okay, so that we have already done in the previous sum sessions. So in the last session we have started with exercise 3.2, that is word problems related to addition. Okay, so that is a statement sum related to addition that we have started in our last session. So today I am going to continue with the same exercise, that is 3.2. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 29, exercise 3.2. Okay, and let's write down and let's do the questions. Exercise 3.2. Okay, so what is given here? Okay, so the question number okay, so first and second question we have already done, so we will start with question number 3. Okay, so the question number 3 is, a shopkeeper bought 4,583 nuts and 2,836 bolts. How many pieces did they buy in all? Write the number sentence and solution sentence. ओके तो देखिए यहाँ पे एक शॉपकीपर की बात हो रही है. सो ही हैज बॉट सम नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स. सो नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स जो कि वी यूज टू किसी भी चीज को कसने के लिए, टाइट करने के लिए वी यूज नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स. ओके, सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स. सो देखिए इधर क्वेश्चन में दिया है, अ शॉपकीपर बॉट 4,583 नट्स. एक शॉपकीपर ने 4,583 नट्स परचेज की एंड 2,836 बोल्ट्स. सो दीज आर परचेज बाय अ शॉपकीपर. How many pieces did he buy in all? So now we have to tell, or now we have to find out that how many total number of nuts and bolts are bought by him. Write the number sentence and solution sentence. So in this question we need to write down the solution sentence and the number sentence. Okay, so let's write down. Okay, so he has purchased two things, nuts he has bought and bolts he has bought. So number of nuts and number of bolts are given, and we need to find out total number of nuts and bolts. Clear? So let's begin with exercise question number 3. Okay, in spite of writing it here, I will write it here. Maths exercise is 3.2. चलिए, so number of nuts, how many number of nuts are there? So number of nuts are, that is 4,583. 4,583. So this is the total number of nuts. Second is bolts. So the total number of bolts, or number of bolts. So what is the total number of bolts? That is 2,836. 2,836. Next, how many pieces did he buy in all? So हमें बताने की total pieces bought, तो मतलब pieces will include nuts as well as bolt. ठीक है, तो pieces में बेटा nuts and bolts दोनों include होंगे. So total pieces of nuts and bolts we need to find out. चलिए, total number of pieces means we are talking about nuts and bolts. तो हम nut and bolt दोनों की बात करें, that is the total number of pieces. ठीक है, P-I-C-E, sorry I just forgot, that is I just got confused with the spelling. P-I-E, ठीक है, P-I-E-C-E-S. This is pieces. Total number of pieces, this is 4,583 plus 2,836. 83 plus 2836. So this is how we can calculate the total number of pieces. So let's calculate 4583 plus 2836. So let's add them both. Okay, so now we will add them. 3 plus 6, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. 1. Next one will be carried forward. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4. 1 will be carried to the next number. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1. This is 7. So total number of pieces bought is 7419. So this is the total number of pieces bought by the shopkeeper. Now ये अभी हमने total number of pieces निकालने बेटा here क्वेश्चन में देखिए आगे दिया हुआ है write the number sentence and the solution sentence. Okay, so now we need to write the number sentence. देखो कल जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन करवाया था उस पर हमने मेंशन किया था नंबर सेंटेंस सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस मेंशन करने के लिए बोला था. So after this just simply write the number sentence. Therefore इसके बाद करेंगे therefore 4583 plus 2836 is equal to 7419. ये हो गया हमारा नंबर सेंटेंस. सेकेंड वॉज सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस. Therefore अब सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस दैट वी विल मेक फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन लाइन. तो क्वेश्चन लाइन हमसे पूछी है दैट इज how many pieces did he buy in all? Therefore he bought total 7419 pieces. Therefore he bought total 7419 pieces. Okay, चाहे तो आप इसको लिख लीजिए therefore he bought 7419 pieces in all. So you can use the question sentence question line भी use कर सकते हो or you can make it like this. Therefore he bought total 7419 pieces. Pieces पूछे थे तो we will write the pieces only. Okay, question में हमसे number sentence and solution sentence they have asked us about that. So देखिए question this is the number sentence and this is the solution sentence. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 3.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, chaliye, so let's move to question number 4. So now we will move to question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 from exercise 3.2 is there are 3786 men, 2983 women and 3508 children in a village. What is the total population of the village? तो देखिए उन्होंने क्या बोला है. एक विलेज में 3786 men हैं, 2983 women हैं and 3508 children है. So this is a total number of children in a village. This is the total number of men, women and children in a village. So now what we need to do is, what is the total population of village? So now we need to calculate the total population of the village. तो हमें village की पूरी population निकालनी है. Okay, so that's what we need to calculate. So लिखिए. So देखिए number of men, number of women, number of children, okay, and now total population of the village. Okay, so this is what is given here and we need to calculate the total population. Okay, लिखिए number of men. First of all we will write number of men. You can write number of men in the village, you can write that one also. So this is up to you. So just make it simple and short so that you can write it very easily. Number of men, that is 3786. Am I correct? Yes. This is 3786 6. So this is the total number of men. Second is number of women. Number of women. So total number of women is, that is 2983. 2983. So this is the total number of women. Next is children. So number of children. Number of children. So what is the number of children in the village? So the number of children in the village is, okay, that is 3508. This is 3508. So this is the total number of children. Next, the question is that we need to calculate the total population of the village. So we need to calculate total population of the village. Total population of village. So total population of village निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे क्लास? तो देखिए विलेज में क्या होंगे, बच्चे ओके, लेडी मेंस होंगे, वुमेन होंगी और बच्चे ही होंगे. सो दैट मीन्स अगर हम तीनों को ऐड करेंगे सो वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ, सो टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द विलेज. ओके, सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट बाय एडिंग दीज थ्री. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग द मार्क लाइन सो दैट इसके बाद में सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस आई कैन राइट हियर. ओके, so this is 3786, that is men. 2983, this is women. Third is 3508, this is number of children. So now let's add them. Okay, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 17. This is 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 17. 1 is here. Now 8 plus 8 16 and 1. This is 17 once again. 7. 1 will be carried to the next number. 7 plus 9 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 plus 1, this is 22. Okay. Next 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 10. So this is total number of, so this is the total population of the village. So the total population of the village is 10,277. So this is the total population of the village. Question में हमें लिखा हुआ है what is the total population of the village. So solution sentence, therefore total population, therefore total population of the village, therefore total population of the village is 10,277. Therefore total population of the village is 10,277. So this is the total population of the village. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4 from exercise 3.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. This is the solution of question number 4 of exercise 3.2. Okay, chaliye. So this was one fourth sum from 3.2. Now we will move to question number 5. So the sum number 5 is, there are 3,527 cows, 4,809 buffaloes and 1,283 other cattle in a village. How many total cattle are in that village? So देखिए, here they have given the number of cows in the village, number of buffaloes in a village and number of other cattle that are in the village. So now we need to calculate the total number of cattle in the village. So first of all, what is the meaning of cattle? So cattle are those milk giving animals. So milk giving animals are known as cattle. So here the number of cows are given, number of buffaloes are given, and number of other cattle are given, and we need to find the total number of cattle that are in that village. Okay, so देखिए, just like question number 4, okay, in question number 5 we will add number of buffaloes, number of cows, number of other cattle, and we can easily get the total number of cattle in the village. Okay, so let's do question number 5. Question number 5 is, okay, there are 3,527 cows. So number of cows, कितनी है? So number of cows is 3,527. 3,527. So this is the number of cows. Next is number of buffaloes. Next kettle is number of buffaloes. BUFFALOES. That is buffaloes. So the number of buffaloes are 4,809. 4,809. Next is number of other cattle. So what is the number of other cattle? Number of other cattle. So देखिए, cow and buffalo, they both are milk giving animals and they are the cattle. So number of other cattle, that is 1,283. This is 1,283. So this is the number of other cattle. Next, we need to calculate how many total cattle are in that village. So we need to calculate total number of cattle. Total cattles in the village. Total cattle in the village. Okay, so total cattle के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? So we will add all the cattle, that is number of cows, number of buffaloes, and number of other cattle. So we need to add them all. Okay, so just add them all. Okay, so let's add 3,527. So this is the number of cows in the village. Next, 4,809. This is the number of buffaloes in the village. Third, 1,283. These are number of other cattle that are in the village. So now let's add them all and you can easily get the total number of cattle. चलिए, 7 plus 9, let's add them. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So 9 will be here, 1 will be carried to the next number. So 2 plus 0, 2 plus 8, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 is here, next one will be carried forward. Okay. 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16, 6. 1 will be carried to the next number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 1, 9. That is, so total number of cattle in the village is 9,690. So on the basis of this, we will write down the total number of cattle. So the fifth is, how many total cattle are in that village? Okay, कितनी cattle हैं? Therefore, there are 9,619 cattle. Therefore, there are 9,619 cattle in the village. or there are 19 cattle in the village. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 5 from exercise 3.2. So number of cows was given, number of buffaloes were given, and the number of other cattle was given, and we need to find out the total number of cattle. So the total number of cattle is 9619. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 5. You can pause the video here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. So let's move to question number 6. Okay. So in question number 6, it is given. Okay. So let me just raise it fast. Question number 6 is, in an election, Abdul got 3,825 votes. Vimal got 1,309 votes, more than Abdul. How many votes did Vimal got? How many votes did both of them got all together? तो देखिए क्वेश्चन जो अभी तक हम क्वेश्चंस करे थे उससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, बट थोड़ा सा समझने वाला क्वेश्चन है. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाएगा देन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व इट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट पे अटेंशन टू द क्वेश्चन. सो देखिए इन्होंने क्या बोला है कि इन एन इलेक्शन, सो देयर वाज एन इलेक्शन जिसमें कि 2 पर्सन खड़े हुए थे, अब्दुल एंड विमल. ओके. सो आई जस्ट गिव यू विद अ स्मॉल फिगर क्या समझाती हूँ. सो दीज आर द 2 पर्सन. दिस इज अब्दुल एंड दिस इज विमल. ओके. सो Abdul को suppose Abdul got 100 votes. Abdul को 100 votes मिले suppose, and Vimal को Abdul से 50 votes ज्यादा मिले, more 50 votes. So that means अगर Abdul को 100 votes मिले और Vimal को Abdul से 50 votes ज्यादा मिले, that means total कितने मिले? 50 वोट ज्यादा है. तो दैट मीन्स इससे 50 ज्यादा, दैट मीन्स 150 वोट्स. इस लाइन को बहुत ध्यान से समझिए बेटा. अब्दुल गॉट 100 वोट्स एंड विमल गॉट 50 वोट्स मोर देन अब्दुल. तो विमल को अब्दुल से 50 वोट्स ज्यादा मिले, दैट मीन्स उसको टोटल इससे 50 वोट ज्यादा कितने हुए? दैट इज 150. तो विमल को टोटल कितने वोट्स मिले? 150. सो यही हमारे क्वेश्चन में है कि अगर विमल को उससे कुछ वोट ज्यादा मिले तो हाउ मेनी वोट्स डिड विमल गॉट. ओके. सो वो हम उसमें ऐड करके निकालेंगे. उसके बाद सेकेंड चीज क्या उन्होंने पूछी है. ओके. हाउ मेनी वोट्स डिड बोथ ऑफ देम गेट ऑल टुगेदर. टोटल कितने वोट्स मिले दोनों को मिला के. तो देखिए अब्दुल को 100 मिले थे, विमल को 150. तो टोटल कितने मिले? 100 प्लस 150, दैट इज 250. तो यही हमारा क्वेश्चन है बिल्कुल एज इट इज. अब्दुल को कुछ वोट्स मिले हैं, विमल को उससे कुछ ज्यादा मिले हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे तो वो विमल को कितने वोट्स मिले, एंड देन वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय देम ऑल टुगेदर. दिस इज क्वाइट लेंथी सम, सो मे बी पॉसिबल दैट आई विल डू इट इन द 2 पार्ट्स. सो जस्ट पे अटेंशन वेरी केयरफुली. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 6. ओके. क्वेश्चन में देखिए इन एन इलेक्शन अब्दुल गॉट 3,825 वोट्स. सो अब्दुल गॉट वोट्स, ये वोट्स गॉट बाय अब्दुल. ओके. अब्दुल गॉट votes got by Abdul. Votes got by Abdul. So Abdul को कितने वोट मिले? That is 3,825. 3,825. Next is more votes got by Abdul. Sorry, Vimal. More votes got by Vimal than अब्दुल. अब्दुल से विमल को कितने ज्यादा वोट्स मिले? मोर वोट्स गॉट बाय विमल दैन अब्दुल. अब्दुल के कंपैरेटिवली उसको कितने वोट्स ज्यादा मिले। देखिए ये विमल के वोट नहीं हम बता रहे हैं, वी आर राइटिंग द नंबर ऑफ मोर वोट्स गॉट बाय विमल। ओके, सो द मोर वोट्स गॉट बाय विमल इज 1309. This is 1309. So Abdul got 3825 and Vimal got 1309 votes more than Abdul. More than Abdul is very important. Okay. Next, now let's calculate votes, total vote got by Vimal. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास लाइन दी है, how many votes did Vimal got? Okay, votes got by Vimal. So first of all we will calculate that. Vimal, the votes got by Vimal. Votes got by Vimal. So Vimal को कितने votes मिले? For this क्या करेंगे? Votes got by Abdul plus this. So this is 3825 plus 1309. So this is the total number of votes got by women. So 5 plus 9, 14, 4, 1 will be carried here. 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 will be carried here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So the total votes got by Vimal is 5134. 5134. So विमल को कितने वोट्स मिले? दैट इज 5134. सो दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय विमल. अब देखिए हमें निकालना क्या है. नाउ क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग दिस इज द वोट गॉट बाय अब्दुल, दीज वोट्स आर गॉट बाय विमल. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय देम बोथ टुगेदर. ओके, सो दोनों ने मिलके टोटल कितने, दोनों को मिलके टोटल कितने वोट्स मिले. सो दोनों को मिला के दैट मीन्स इसको और इसको अगर हम ऐड करेंगे वी कैन इजिली गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय देम बोथ. ओके, सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट. सो देखिए यहाँ पे यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. इसके आगे जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट है आई विल डू आफ्टर इरेजिंग दिस. ओके, सो यू कैन पॉज इट हियर एंड नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक्स. Clear? So just remember the votes got by Abdul, that is 3825. Votes got by Vimal, that is 5134. इन दोनों नंबर्स को याद रखिएगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन में हमें निकालना है टोटल वोट्स गॉट बाय बोथ ऑफ देम. टोटल votes got all together. All together means दोनों ने इकट्ठे टोटल कितने वोट्स मिले. सो अब्दुल को कितने वोट्स मिले थे? तो अब्दुल गॉट द नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय अब्दुल वाज 3825. दैट इज गिवन इन द बुक. एंड विमल को कितने वोट मिले थे वो हमने निकाला था, दैट इज 5134. ओके, सो इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे देन यू कैन गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स गॉट बाय देम ऑल टुगेदर. सो 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 1 9 and 3 plus 5 8. So that is 8959. So this is the total number of votes got by both Vimal and Abdul all together. All together means दोनों को इकट्ठे टोटल वोट्स कितने मिले. ओके, therefore, okay, so solution sentence we will write down according to the given in the question. So how many votes did both of them get all together? Therefore both of them got 8959 votes. Therefore both of them got 8959 votes all together. Therefore both of them got 8959 votes all together. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 6. So with this we have completed question number 6. तो ये दो पार्ट्स में बेटा, इसलिए इसको बहुत ध्यान से करना. Okay? So This is the second part of question number 6. So no need to write AB, but just do it simply. तो उसको नीचे नीचे करते जाइएगा and you can complete the question like this. Okay. So this was my today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.